In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uninstall programs and applications on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best result, you come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. So you're viewed by in the top right to large icons, and then you want to go down and select where it says Programs and Features. Locate the application you want to remove or uninstall. Select uninstall, and that'll open up the uninstall wizard, and that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.